8th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 1, Prose. Hobby turns a successful career. Last class we had seen section 1. In this class we are going to see about section 2. The same situation, a hobby, but here in this section different kind of a hobby. Okay, let us see that in this prose. Ajay Kumar George is a very talented young artist. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. When he was age of 3 years, just he had suffered injury. Ajay was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. He treated, but it left him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment. Impairment, we know that, disability. But it didn't cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Actually, his father wanted to call paint set to play. Then Ajay started to paint happily. He felt happy. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. Actually, he has very interesting. He looked happily while using the paint set that was gifted to him. Soon, Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, Rajasthan, saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. Yes, he impressed with his work. Whose work? Ajay's work. He then took Ajay and started training him. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy, so he went back to painting. Actually, he doesn't like the tailoring class. Then that didn't make it happy, so that he wanted to come back to the painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. Yes, Asha Devi is a trainer of Ajay. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. Yes, miniature, which means very small of its kind. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Yes, he gained more knowledge for paintings. Soon, he became an accomplished, fulfilled artist in the miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and single haired brush for miniature painting that depict Indian culture. Magnifying, which means enhance. Okay, Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Yes, he created own imagination. Then he had good interest in this painting works. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of the 150 paintings displayed. Yes, out of the 150 painting displays, 144 sold. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, he got the award from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India and has been the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Yes, he is one of the member of association in Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impairment children in Jaipur as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar. Orphanage means without home for the children. One of Ajay's current goals is to revitalize the dying art of the traditional miniature Indian paintings. Revitalize, which means re-energize. Ajay's life show us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if you are ready to learn and develop our skills. Yes, whatever we do in our hobby, that it will make our happiness, then it will develop our skills. Okay, in this lesson, best examples in our life. Okay, just let us see that glossary meanings. Impairment, disability. Miniature, very small of its kind. Accomplish, fulfilled. Magnify, enhance. Exhibit, show or reveal. Revitalize, re-energize.